Hello, in this quick video I want to show you how to transfer the SIM card from one Samsung Galaxy to another. It's fairly simple to do. And so for example, this is the A32 and we're upgrading it to an S21, but again, it doesn't matter if you have an S24, S25, it doesn't matter, it's the same concept. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is remove the case on both of them, if you have them on both or just one. And you want to make sure they're both powered off. And of course, you know to do that, only thing you have to do, the majority of Samsung Galaxies, you just hold down the power button and the down volume button at the same time. You hold it down until you do power off. And that's so when you change the SIM card, it won't damage the phone. So make sure the power is off on both. Ideally, you want them both to be powered at least 50% battery. That's really ideal. And the only thing you're going to need is your little SIM card removal tool. Now you can use like a paper clip or a safety pin. But so what we're going to do now is remove the SIM card and put it in the new one. Now what this is going to do is it's going to change the phone service from the old phone to the new one. So whether that's Verizon or T-Mobile or whatever, it's going to switch. Now it will not save your photos, videos, and your contacts or your messages. What you're going to have to do is sometimes it'll prompt you, but you're going to have to use Samsung Smart Switch. And Samsung Smart Switch will transfer all that stuff. And a lot of times it will prompt you. All right, so let's go ahead and remove. So what you're going to do is you're going to look for the SIM. You're going to look for the SIM card holder, and it's usually going to be like a little pinhole. Sometimes they're on the top, but vast majority of them are going to be on the side. So we got this one. This is the old phone that we're going to take the SIM out. And so we're going to take our removal tool or safety pin or whatever you have, and you're going to firmly press until it pops out. Now the tray is usually going to be holding the SIM card, but it'll also be holding your memory card. So you can tell the T-Mobile because it's got a T on there, but the Verizon will have like a V. So it's that white one on top. And of course, at the same time, you can switch out if you do have an extra memory card, that's just a space card, so the 64. So we're going to go ahead and put that in it as well to our new phone. So be very careful. And here is our SIM card. All right. And while we're at it, we're going to go ahead and, so we don't lose it, we're going to put this back, the tray back into the old phone. All right. And now same thing. We're going to look for that little pinhole. Sometimes they're on the top and sometimes they're on the side. The S21 looks like it's right here, actually on the bottom. So not on the top or the side, on the very bottom, looks like. And we're going to take our little SIM card, push, and that removes it. And there it is. So this is called a nano SD card. And the only thing you have to do is we got it right here. We line it up perfectly. Actually, it goes like this. This will show actually the little icon and the actual direction. So it'll show the direction like a puzzle of how it goes. So like this. It should pop in there really good. So this is the S21. And again, if you're putting it into another tray, it'll look a little bit different, like this A32. All right, and it should pop in just like that. And then let's go ahead and power our new phone on. And you do that by just holding down the power button, of course. And that's pretty much how you do it. That's how you switch out the SIM card. and you should recognize everything, and this should start actually going to T-Mobile, and you should all be set. All right, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.